Lazy way number 3 is high ticket offers. Listen, you can make a living selling $7 and $27 products all day, but if you really want to hit life-changing money, you need something bigger on the back end. I'm talking about offers that bring in $500, $1,000, even $2,000 in one shot. Now, here's the kicker. Most people think selling high ticket means you've got to be some hardcore closer on the phone or you need a massive audience. Not true. The key is to have a system that builds the offer for you. And that's where Offer Lab comes in. Here's how it works. Offer Lab helps you craft, package, and position a high-ticket offer that people actually want. We're not talking about slapping a big price tag on something random. They walk you step by step through how to take your skills, your story, or even digital products you already have and turn that into a high-ticket package. And here's why it's lazy. Once the system is built, it's built. You've got the scripts, you've got the funnel, you've got the follow-up. You don't need to reinvent the wheel every time. You just plug people in. Let me give you an example. Let's say you start with something small, like my digital income starter kit at $27. That's a low ticket. Easy yes for most people. But on the back end, you can offer them a done with you coaching package or a masterclass bundle worth $997 or more. So now you're not just making $27 a sale, you're stacking $1,000 on top of that from the people who want to go deeper with you. And Offer Lab gives you the exact same framework to build those kinds of offers without the headache. Why should you consider using it? Because it shortcuts the hardest part of the game. Most people fail because they either A, don't know what to sell, or B, they underprice themselves into the ground. Offer Lab solves both problems. It shows you what to sell and how to sell it for real money. Think about it this way. Would you rather chase 100 people for $100 each or 10 people for $1,000 each? It's the same $10,000, but way less work. That's the lazy way. And again, this plugs right into your funnel and automation from step 2. Someone finds you on YouTube, they join your funnel, they grab your starter kit, your automation warms them up, and then Offer Lab helps you present a high-ticket back end that can double or triple your income without adding more hustle. This is how people go from side hustle money to quit your job money. It's not about grinding harder. It's about plugging into a system that lets you charge more for the value you're already bringing.